Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share the recipe of incredibly soft, moist and buttery red velvet cake topped with an easy cream cheese frosting. Prepare your ingredients and let's get started. For this recipe we will need 400 grams of powdered sugar, 300 grams of cake flour, 240 grams of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 100 grams of vegetable oil, 300 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 15 grams of cacao powder, 13 ounces of cream cheese, 130 grams of butter, 2 eggs, your favorite red food coloring, and of course the scales. In a large bowl, sift together 300 grams of cake flour, 15 grams of cacao powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt, and set aside. Cream together 115 grams of butter and 300 grams of sugar on medium speed for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add in 2 eggs, one at a time, and mix until fully combined. Now add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat until incorporated. Add 100 grams of vegetable oil, 240 grams of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and red food coloring according to your package instructions, and beat until combined. Now it's time to gradually add in our dry ingredients. Make sure to mix each addition until just combined, and be careful not to overmix the butter. Butter 2 8-inch cake pans and dust with some cacao powder. Evenly distribute the cake batter between the 2 prepared cake pans and bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Meanwhile, let's make the frosting. Beat 13 ounces of cream cheese and 115 grams of butter together on a medium-high speed until smooth, about 2 minutes. Now gradually add in 400 grams of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat until completely combined and creamy. Once cakes are cooled down, slice a thin layer off the tops of the cakes to create a flat surface. Place one cake layer on your cake stand or serving plate, evenly cover the top with frosting. Top with the second layer and spread remaining frosting all over the top and sides. You can decorate your cake with some cake crumbs and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour before slicing. And this is it. Our delicious and beautiful red velvet cake is ready. Bon appetit!